It's feeding time. Here's the Halloween one I call it, black and orange. Here's the all silver fish. And that yellow one, gold yellow one, is a butterfly. And then that orange and white one right there, he's our big guy. He's a pig. Yeah. Feeding time. Yep. That's what's happening.